So guys, I'm going to discuss some popular MS interview questions, what you can expect, and they are very very important, and those kind of questions they used to ask. And my students, whoever is going to uh, uh, have interview in different IITs, I used to talk to them about like what kind of interview session they had, what kind of questions they had. Based on that, I have made all type. Like it's been long time I'm interacting with students, my own students, for my like who joins me for GATE preparation for aerospace department. So if you are not from aerospace department, then also you can see these questions. They may appear in your branches as well. So in the beginning itself, I should tell you that you don't miss the description box. There are so many things about me and about my institute concept library and about my YouTube channel. Almost everything you will be getting on my channel about your GATE aerospace preparation. And this is a special series where I am guiding students for their MTech and MS PhD admissions in all the way. I have included almost everything whatever is required. So in the same series, like I am continuing some important interview questions as well. Okay, so let's start with this. I am choosing this color. So see, popular MS interview questions, what I used to explain to those students who join me for their interview preparation. So MS MTech interview is last stage where you are going to be very close. You are going to be very close to your admission in your dream IITs or IISc. Okay, and of course sometimes in abroad countries, these interview questions will help you a lot. Anyway, interview means they are trying to see like where do you stand, your basics are clear or not, like you know almost all the areas or not. Actually what happens when you appear for MS or MTech interview in some IIT, then they will be giving you a list like these type of question, these type of topics they will be asking, these topics they will be asking. Okay, but they will mention here like don't take this for granted, like only these topics will be there. No, it's like that will be kind of guidance, that rated topics. So they mention here that okay, these topics are not the only topics what we are going to ask. Okay, it kind of direction they provide here in their PDFs. Okay, so and what are the questions I am going to discuss here. So I will not discuss all the questions because actually it is kind of promotion videos. Few questions I will discuss here. My main intention behind this video is if you are looking for your interview preparation, you have prepared yourself in my GATE coaching, then no problem. If you have not prepared yourself in my GATE coaching, if you have prepared yourself from somewhere else, then you should definitely join me for your interview preparation. Okay. So taking a very easy question, but many of you will not be able to reply the way it was expected by the student who is a BTech level student and going to join master degree program. So let's start. So I'm taking a question, what is fluid? Okay, what is fluid? So think here, what is fluid? Pause the video, think what kind of answer you will reply if you are sitting with your interview teachers, interview professors in the panel, and they are asking you question, what is fluid? So I hope you got the idea what is fluid. So honestly, you do one thing, you just mention in the comment box what was your idea, that what kind of reply you will mention. So these kind of videos I will further upload in coming days, because already I am working on different projects about YouTube videos. So like currently I am uploading MS MTech videos in different IITs and something. So in that series I have added this video also. So I hope you got the answer. Reply this. What was the first answer came in your mind? Okay, if not, then understand what kind of answer I am expecting. See, mostly what happens, mostly students will say that okay sir, in solids molecules are packed very closely, in gases molecules are free, and in liquid I mean in fluid, like mostly students will confuse this fluid with liquid. So this is one common mistake. Mostly fluid means the student will confuse with liquid. Okay, if you know that no, even gases are fluids, even liquids are fluid, then no problem. But you have to like say what is the meaning of technical meaning of the fluid. Okay, so mostly they will say this mistake, common mistake. Like when I ask, see I have a super X batch, in super X batch, when like till now any student did not clear written exam, that's why anyone cannot come to the interview for like super X batch. I run only for 10 students wants to prepare for GATE aerospace, like especially for to become in top 10, like that kind of batches even I have. So those kind of students, suitable batches, you can see like all the links are there. Okay, now go for this. So common answer: a type of substance where molecules are moderately closed in as compared with solid and gases separately. Like these kind of moderate answers they used to give. Okay, but do you think these answers are acceptable or these answers are correct? Because you are BTech level student. Okay, so see, here I will explain some demo questions, and like if you will join me for it will be almost 1 week program, and I will explain all the basic concepts and all the expected questions if you join me. Okay, so if you are interested, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, description you can find my number. So these preparations, these kind of interpretations will not only helpful for your MS MTech or PhD, it will also be helpful for your ISRO, DRDO, HAL, etc, all the exams whatever is coming for GATE aerospace. I mean after GATE aerospace, whatever exams you will be attending. Okay, so come back to the question, what is the fluid explained? So expected answer is actually a type of matter which moves under applied shear force. Okay, that is going to be fluid. So this kind of question they can ask you when you will apply your MS or MTech in your aerodynamics or maybe flight mechanics as well. Okay, actually see what happens if you are also applying for aircraft propulsion, there also they can ask you this question, because in aircraft propulsion also they deal with gas dynamics some part, and already in aircraft propulsion you have compressor and turbine sections, so there we have to deal with the fluid. Okay, so that's why these kind of question, very basic question. I hope you will love this. Now see, this kind of such neat and clean answers are expected. So next question, this is somewhat basic means not that basic as a fluid, somewhat upper level question. What is dissociation effect in gas dynamics? So think on this. Many of you will not be aware of this thing, but see, if this question will appear in your GATE exam, in your interview exam, what is dissociation effect, or like what do you mean by dissociation effect in gas dynamics or something? So in that case, if suddenly you are not able to hit the answer, you should not try for the wrong approaches, because those professors, they know very well what are you trying to do, because that's why they have selected these kind of questions. Okay, so try this question by yourself. If not, then watch the video further. So under this effect, multi-atomic molecules, for example, like oxygen is 2 atoms, nitrogen 2 atoms. Okay, multi-atomic molecules like ozone means 3 atoms. Molecules is split into constituent atoms, like O2 will split into O plus O, means oxygen gas will split into oxygen atoms. So, and on very clear note, your CV, specific heat at control volume, okay, so will become the function of temperature. Actually, mostly what happens when we deal when we prepare for GATE exam in aerospace department, we keep our CP and CV values constant, right? We say them they are calorifically perfect gas. Okay, means they are not the function of temperature, but under this effect you will see that CV will become the function of temperature. Okay, it was just an example. This is sufficient, like you will win the heart of the professors. So example, O2 will totally dissociate in oxygen around near 1000 Kelvin, and N2 will totally dissociate around 9000 Kelvin. So that's all. Join me for, no, listen, watch this thing completely. Join me for GATE aerospace preparation, join me for interview preparation after your GATE exam. Okay, this is my contact number, +91 is India code 6380135260. Don't miss the description box. Okay, very good. And from which college you are, you just watching this video, just text me. Thank you.